The very first thing we're going to do in this lesson is take the derivative of the logarithm of any base. So what is d dx of log base b of x? First thing we do is we use definition 3.2. It's the limit as h goes to 0 of the log base b of x plus h minus the log base b of x all over h. Now we're going to use the properties of logarithms in order to change this expression. So first of all, we write it as the limit as h goes to 0 of 1 over h times the log base b of the ratio x plus h over x. This comes from the quotient property of logarithms. Simplifying just a little bit gives me the limit as h goes to 0 of 1 over h times log base b of 1 plus h over x. Now, we're going to allow a substitution to make life easier. We're going to let v equal h over x. And so by doing, we replace h over x with v. And if I put this right here, x in the numerator and x in the denominator, then that would become, by substitution, 1 over vx. Since h is going to 0, if h goes to 0, v must also go to 0. So my limit now picks up a new variable, v, instead of h. So I end up with the limit as v goes to 0 of 1 over vx times log base b of 1 plus v. Now I separate my 1 over vx. This is 1 over x times the limit as v goes to 0 of 1 over v times log base b of 1 over v. And now I'm going to use the power property of logarithms and bring the 1 over v up above, giving me this limit. Now, the limit can pass into the logarithm, since logarithm of base b of x is continuous. So this becomes 1 over x log base b of the limit as v goes to 0 of 1 plus v all raised to the 1 over v power. And believe it or not, this limit is the number e. So the final answer is 1 over x log base b of e. And so that's the derivative of log base b of x. Let's look at some practical applications. What is the derivative with respect to x of log base 5 of x? Well, using the definition, it would be 1 over x log base 5 of e. What is the derivative with respect to x of log base 3 of x squared? So, okay, here I've got to use the chain rule in order to make this work. So the chain rule would say let u equal x squared. So, okay, what is du dx? Well, du dx would be 2x. And so this would become the derivative of the function, which I'll call this function y, the derivative of y with respect to u times du dx. So this becomes 1 over u, if I let this be u, times log base 3 of e times du dx. But d dx is 2x and u is x squared, so this becomes 1 over x squared log base 3 of e times 2x, which simplifies into 2 over x log base 3 of e. But we could have also used the power property from the very beginning and bring down the 2. So this would be equivalent to the derivative with respect to x of 2 log base 3 of x. And the derivative of a constant times a function is the constant times the derivative of the function. And so now using the formula that we just learned, and we get the same thing. God bless you, wherever you are today.